Do you know the only thing that gives me pleasure? It's to see my dividends coming in. John D. Rockefeller. Hey everyone, welcome to Yieldcraft, the channel where we craft long-term wealth through dividends, step by step. My name is Mail. I'm an investor from India and I've just started my journey investing in US dividend ETFs. This is my very first video, so let's jump right in. Why I started dividend investing. So, why dividends? Well, I wanted to build a portfolio that pays me while I sleep. A steady stream of passive income instead of just hoping for price growth. A dividend is simply a cash payment company shares with investors, kind of like a small reward for owning their stock. For example, if you own a company share that pays $1 per year in dividends, you'll receive that amount just for being a shareholder. No selling required. Even though I'm investing from India, I decided to start small with US dividend ETFs to learn, grow, and share the entire process with all of you. From my first dollar invested to my first dividend check. As of now, I've invested $156.25 across a few dividend-focused ETFs and stocks. Here's the breakdown. New S&P 500, a high-income ETF, $59.49, Main Street Capital, $25.03, Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, $14.40, Schwab US Dividend ETF, $12.99, and the rest is spread across a few smaller positions I'm currently testing out. I plan to invest more into them and share all the updates with you in the upcoming videos. My total portfolio value is around $146.11, which means I'm down about 10.13 so far, and that's totally fine. I'm here for the long game. I'll be tracking every dividend payout, reinvestment, and new positions I take along the way. This channel isn't just about my numbers. I'll be sharing everything I learn about dividend investing, from researching ETFs to analyzing yields to building steady passive income step by step. Plus, I'll also talk about YouTube growth and how I'm building this channel from scratch, right alongside my portfolio. If you're into dividend investing or thinking about starting your own journey, hit that subscribe button and follow along.